Yes, ready for dictation. Start. That apart the government of India, by virtue of Annexure P5, had also permitted the completion of the process initiated by the respondents for purchase of the drug kits pursuant to the process of tender floated by the respondents, in which the petitioner was a successful participant. Stop. The respondents cannot take one step forward and two steps backwards without any justifiable reasons. Stop. Consideredly, no player, including the public sector undertakings, have been taken to supply the kits at the rates provided by the petitioner, so much so that none of the participant was able to provide the comprehensive kits as offered by the petitioner. Stop. We are thus amazed at the decision making process of the respondents, which at best seeks to defeat the very purpose for which the process of procuring drugs was initiated, for the benefit of the people. Stop. Clearly, the state is within the rights to ensure the quality for which stringent measures could be and ought to be provided, but it cannot hold the whole system of procurement and dispensation of the drugs to the public to ransom merely because there exists some policy where the private operators are to be precluded and public sector undertakings are to be preferred. Stop. In the matters of such public importance, procurement of drugs, and in view of fact that central government relaxed purchase of drugs from private parties to achieve public good, sticking to the stand of not granting tender to petitioner cannot be termed to be in public interest. Stop. Admittedly, no other participants, including Karnataka Antibiotics and Pharmaceuticals Limited, has offered to give drug kits as required by the state of Punjab. Stop passage. Once the process of formalization of tenders has been completed, giving rise to a legitimate expectation to the petitioner, the same could not be cancelled by the respondents, more so when there were no other participants who could meet the requirements. Stop. Even in the subsequent process, no one could offer the kits to meet the requirements of the respondents, much in the same way as offered by the petitioner at the lowest rates to the satisfaction of the respondents. Stop. Hence, the writ petition is allowed. Stop. The letter dated 16 January 2007 is quashed and the respondents are directed to immediately initiate the process of procurement of the requisite drug kits from the petitioner after complying with the necessary specifications contained in Annexure P5. Stop.